This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm, and sometimes we go to get a tool and we think we have the right one, and then we realize, well, like in this case, we have the wrong wrench. But instead of walking all the way back to the barn, we just make a little adjustment here. And use a quarter as a spacer.
This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and these are our green giant arborvitaes. Call us for your screening tree needs at 215-651-8329.